Let's see, whose socks are those? Are those yours, Joel?
Oh, look at this. Here's the ping pong table in the middle of the dining room. Whose idea was this?
This was my idea.
Kyle's idea.
Did you like this present for Christmas, Kyle?
This was a really nice present. I'm really happy with it.
Let's do
Yeah, you like it, huh? Let's see. Is there anything? Oh, look at the tree.
There's the set, there's the Joel, there's the... Oh, wait a minute, we forgot 3 presents.
What?
My goodness, we forgot 3 presents. Should we open those now?
Or do you guys want to wait till later?
Or should we wait till later?
I want to open it now.
No, they're all the same, so you guys all have to open them at the same time.
Okay.
Well, that's weird.
That is weird. Here we go.
Well, I guess I can videotape it. I don't even remember about
Hey.
this. Maybe these have been in there for a long
See
time.
what's in there.
Go.
So strange.
It's strange.
Joel's the first one.
Joel's the first one.
What? You guys a Wii, Dad? Whoa! The Wii remote. So we don't have the Wii.
What does this mean?
Do we have a Wii?
What?
No, Joe, we just have the remotes.
What?
Just to look at and stare at and hope for a Wii.
Wait, no, we have a Wii.
Wait, I didn't see it downstairs.
Where would it be?
We have to go find it.
No,
Is it in this
we'll pull it out. So, should we go find it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's
Are you
go.
in shock, Kyle?
Yeah.
You're
I was
really-
not expecting that.
Sarah, hey, filming Sarah, follow us upstairs.